this woman heard weird sounds coming from underneath her car, she decided to investigate. But what she found left her completely stunned. Huddled beneath her car was a tiny newborn fawn, trembling and crying out for help. The woman knew she had to act quickly. She gently scooped the tiny deer fawn into her arms. Not wasting a second, she rushed the baby deer to a nearby wildlife center, where a team of rescuers immediately began treatment. The fawn was weak, struggling to even lift its head, but with steady care and nourishment, it slowly began to recover. Day by day, the little one grew stronger, standing, walking, and eventually running with joy. The fawn fit right in, bonding with the woman, her baby, and the other animals in the house. Thanks to that rescue, she's now living her best life. Healthy, happy, and free. Thanks to one woman's kindness, a life that nearly ended too soon was given a second chance.